Yog Tat Sat. In this morning, I have a very important topic to discuss. We hear nowadays a very popular term called yoga therapy. I have also come across this term a lot of time since I began education of yoga in my life. I had natural interest, and as I still have, about different modes of therapy. But in my experience, I have found that not one mode of therapy is enough for the total well-being. Yoga therapy, or any other term we may use for this, and therapy in general are very different. I just say a few words on therapy. When health complication sets in the human body or in the body, we use different approach to heal the complication that we call commonly therapy. The most ancient therapy is Ayurveda. Along with Ayurveda, there are 125 known or unknown, perhaps even more, different modes of therapy. Apart from that, what we call yoga as therapy is not the same in the nature. However, it does have potential to eliminate several health complications which otherwise can't be cured, can't be handled. Even after that, yoga is not a therapy. So when we say the term yoga therapy, it is not out and out correct. However, we agree that this term and these terms are commonly used. Now, when we have health problems, the general advice is first to know by oneself only the nature of human complication, how the problem has come. If we are careful about ourselves, in many cases we can know how the problem has come and what the problem actually is. We don't know the whole details of human body, but careful observance gives a lot details. We have problems coming in the body through external mediums. For example, bacteria and viral infections, accidents. We have internal problems because we have a dysentery way of living, dysentery lifestyle, poor lifestyle. For example, diabetes, obesity, and things like that. We may also name a couple of more problems like high blood pressure, things like that. And then we have problems which we inherit from older generations, from parents to children. The problem goes. There are different names about it: genetic problems, hereditary problems. So in all these cases, different approaches have to be used. So the problems which we inherit are the most complicated. What we receive through poor lifestyle is also little complicated but can be cured in many cases. And the external things are very quick, it spreads very quick, and it's very dangerous also because in a short time it may give very bad results. So for all the different problems, different way of approaches, a different way of therapy, and different approaches has to be used. Yoga stands one of the most effective approach, but not the therapy. I will tell you a very simple reason behind this. If you go to modern medical science, they only know the details of this physicality, the physical human body. But this is not the end of human body. It is only one layer. If you go to Ayurveda, it talks in a very detailed way about different layers of human body. However, Ayurveda uses medicines, different modes of therapy. But the problem in Ayurveda is the great researches which are still to be done, the most orthodox and ancient texts in Sanskrit language, the most ancient language, and very few people are able to understand and clarify that. On top of that, it requires a great way of modern living. So on all this basis, if a doctor is trained, then only the very effective way of Ayurveda can be received. So is the case of other modes of therapy also. Now, when we say other modes of therapy like homeopathy, naturopathy, and several acupressure, several other modes, lots of researches have been done. But a therapy is complete only when it takes into detail, it takes into consideration the whole of human existence. And that yoga does. Yoga has several techniques which corrects physical problems, which corrects astral problems, which we call mental problems, which also corrects causal problems. And eventually we all know about yoga. Yoga can liberate us from all the miseries. So yoga is just not removing the problems. Yoga is also for liberating oneself from the bondage of any suffering. I reiterate, it is not a therapy. It is the whole knowledge of human existence. It is the whole knowledge of how to get beyond the bondage. It is the knowledge of how to get rid of all human complications. But we must be careful. For example, let's say somebody has received bacterial infection. Should we go for yoga therapy? It won't work in that way. So, however, yoga is the most potent, the most effective way, but in all the cases, we can't just go blindly and just use whatever somebody tells us. I have seen in my life several cases. With yoga, they were very well cured. So instead of saying yoga as therapy, I would simply say a very organized way of living, which takes into account every layer of human existence, its complications and mechanism to create great balance and to establish the most effective state. Yoga works mostly on the balances, and in yoga, the most effective approach is Hatha Yoga. Hatha space YOG. Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga is the most effective approach in yoga to eliminate several health complications. And there are more branches. So instead of calling yoga therapy, I have also said how we can approach yoga. I have also said other modes of therapy. In the modern time, Ayurveda and yoga have been discussed together. It is very welcoming approach, but I must reiterate once again, and I must say very clearly, yoga along with the most modern therapy, which is allopathy. So we must go to an allopathic doctor a good health expert, proper diagnosis, and with that, we must apply yoga. That will be the most effective. Other therapy, other scientific way, apart from modern medical science, is still in the shadow of suspicion. Yoga is also under the shadow of great suspicion because lots of charlatans in yoga are there. They don't know what they are doing and they provide you so many skills which is dangerous. So we must go to health expert who is trained in modern medical science, and then together with that we must apply yoga. We must apply yoga because yoga has no alternative. So in short, I have discussed. I hope you like it. Thank you very much. Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat.